Today I'm going to show you my grandmother's peanut butter cookie recipe. Are there any smells or flavors that immediately bring you back to your childhood? For me, these peanut butter cookies are exactly that. So the first thing we need is half a cup of peanut butter. Obviously, it's peanut butter cookies. And this recipe also uses half a cup of vegetable shortening. This part is pretty crucial for me. You could use butter if you really wanted to, but the shortening is gonna give it a more of a crumbly, flaky sort of texture that really just melts in your mouth. And to me, that is the key part of these cookies. So definitely adding this. Now these just need to be creamed together. And now continuing on our half cup journey, we're adding half a cup of white sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. Finally, 1 egg. And then cream these together as well. Now for the dry ingredients, I just have 1 1/3 cups of flour and a teaspoon of baking soda. So I'll just add the baking soda to my flour, give it a quick little mix, and add this to my wet ingredients. Even just the smell of the dough being mixed together is bringing me back. So I can only imagine what it's gonna be like when I bake them. So I'm just gonna use my hands to form little balls of dough. Also be prepared because this recipe makes a lot of cookies. Depending on the size that you're making, if you make them about this size, you'll end up with, I think the recipe says 3 dozen. So share them with your friends. Now, before I bake these, I'm gonna put the little classic peanut butter cookie cross section on them using a fork. And I find the easiest way to make sure it doesn't stick is to just dip the fork in a bit of water first. And then, why is it that peanut butter cookies always have this cross section? Who decided that? So now my cookies are ready to be baked. My oven has preheated. They're gonna go in there for about 8 minutes. I can't tell you how happy I am right now. These smell amazing. I think I'm just gonna eat one warm because that's what you do with cookies, right? I just went on a journey. These are so good. They're like flaky, fall apart, crumbly in your mouth. I've gone back in time and I don't want to come back. If you try to make these at home, please let me know. I would love to know how it went for you. And while you're here, click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.